Use the Annotations tool in TextAid to make notes on PDF documents. When you click Show Annotations, the Annotations toolbar will pop up. Annotate your document in various colors. Highlight text. You can always delete an annotation should you wish. Use the Type tool to complete assignments, or type notes. Use the Selection tool to select parts of the document you'd like to listen to. Use the Scribble tool to make drawings. Want to save your notes? Simply click Save. You can also print the page with your notes. Click Print. This way, you can turn in assignments, or use your notes to study later. TextAid's Annotations is a great way to help you study, take notes for later use, or to complete assignments. Get started with ReadSpeaker TextAid today by signing up for a free trial.